Okay, let's start. So today let's talk about some data science packages, NumPy and Pandas. So before these two packages, I just want to mention that our first project is already supposed to be done because the soft deadline is April 30th. But however, there are still a lot of students haven't submit the project. So for those who haven't submitted your first project, please be hurry up. Because if you don't follow this deadline very clearly, then you will have a very short time for your second project. Okay, so please hurry up and yeah, just post your questions in the group or in any relevant group that you think might be helpful. So focus doing the project, okay? And if you are done, just learn quickly. Try to learn more math and deep learning stuff. Then we can do second project. So today, let's talk about two very popular and important data science packages, which is NumPy and Pandas. So first, let's say NumPy. So NumPy is doing numerical computation in Python, which can help our Python super easy and fast. So we can, using NumPy, we can efficiently store and manipulate a lot of vectors, matrices, and high-dimensional data sets. So yeah, let's see. So first, as long as you are using a package, you need to import this package, and often we use NP to abbreviate this NumPy. So import this NumPy package as NP, and so there is a range from 1 to 10. Then we can print this array 1. You can say it's like this. So what about this? If we don't use A, then it will have an error because NumPy have an attribute called arrange. So it will be this one. And then let's see this 1, 10, 2. So it means from 1 until 10, and the step size is 2. So let's see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah. So basically, this np.arrange is something like this. Oh, wait a minute. So this is a range, but if we do something like wait a minute. Something like this. So for x in range 1 to 10, step size 2. So something similar. Then let's say this one, array, some properties of array. So for example, we already have array is 1 through 9. So this is basically multiplied by 2. It will be, this is not multiply. This is power rate. So 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3. This is 9 multiply 9. So this is power. And then let's say, so NumPy can also change our several lists into an array. So this is a list, this is another list. So we combine them, this is still a list. The element of this list is list. And also array is 1 through 9, remember? So we can change this array shape. So it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is is very similar to matrices, right? So actually, NumPy allows us to perform matrix operations in our multidimensional arrays. So let's see the examples. For example, this multi-array 1 is this. This is a matrix, right? If we use matrix dot T, which means matrix dot transpose. So we can say this is the transpose of the original matrix. And this is dot multiplication. So multi-array is 1 through 9, and multi-array is this matrix. And if we multiply these two, this will be like this. So is there any question so far, NumPy? You can post your questions at Slack group. Okay, I assume you don't have questions. Okay, let's see. Pandas. So Pandas is a package built on NumPy. It's also very powerful, especially when we are doing data analysis. Usually, we can use these pandas to do a lot of group by, and some manipulation. It's sort of Python version of SQL, I would say, because you can using pandas to do a lot of kind of SQL manipulation. So first, we also use import these packages first. So conventionally, we use this PD to represent these pandas. And one of the most important data structure is in pandas is data frame. So for example, we build a data frame. So this is one column. This is not another column. Then we have this table. So this is called a data frame. So you can say it looks pretty good. So first column, the element is these. second column elements is this. So to create the data frame, we first usually need to use this method provided by pandas. And then after we have this data frame, we can and then create some new columns. And also by if we want to get some columns, we can just use this data frame name and then the column name. So you see, we got this. And for the score, we got this. And similarly to NumPy arrays, Panda also allow us to perform a lot of operations across these numerical entries. For example, we have this score, right? And of course, we are interested in the sum or mean. So we can compute this sum, mean, which is pretty convenient, right? And also then let's see some other examples. For example, we create a new data frame called purchases. So purchases, originally we create this data frame, something like this. And then we can group by something. For example, we can say, for example, there are two John. So that means John spent some money and then spent some money for Mary's. Firstly, spent some money and then spent some money. And Jane, right? So, for example, we are curious each person how much in total he or she spent. So we can use group by, right? Group by this name and compute the summation. So we can do something like this: purchase dot group by this name and sum, right? Wait a minute. So it's this this new data frame give us the result for each person and their total money. So here you can see something like the column name is not beautiful as before, right? Because you did some group by, so the index is kind of chaos now, but it's easy to fix. So we can just use reset index. See? So just use this function, reset index, and it will be, it looks much better than this one, right? Okay. And for this one, it's basically the same, right? Okay. So that will be all for today. Just let me know if you have any questions. Yeah. Or we can schedule one-to-one virtual call, or just post questions on this Slack group, or just DM me. Let's solve it together. Good night.